Find the standard equation of the hyperbola with the given properties or general form. Vertices, -4, -5, and -4, 1. 7 units from the center to a focus. So, so ang ato ang vertices is at -4, dili na nakabutang. So, if itong coordinate plane, -4 and -5. So, here, let's say this is a vertex 1, and the vertex 2 is -4 and 1. So, here. So, we know that ang opening ay na is upward o downward. So, muling vertex 2. Okay, so accordingly here, 7 units from the center to a focus. We don't know the center yet, but we have the endpoints of the hyperbola, which is vertex 1 and vertex 2. So ang iyahang midpoint ana will be the center. So -4 plus -4, that's -8 divide 2, so -4. While the y coordinates, -5 plus 1, that's -4, divide 2, so -2. So the center would be -4, -2. Wala siya ang iyahang center. -4, -2. Okay, so from the center to a focus, that's 7 units. So we expect na ang iyahang focus or foci will be at the top, above or below the center. So we will add, since vertical man siya nga segment, so we will add and subtract the value of C. C man ang 7 to the y coordinates ato ang center. So what is the y coordinates sa itong center? -2. So ang value na to sa ato ang C is 7. So pwede na natin makuha ang points sa ato ang focus. Ay, okay. Wala, standard equation raman de. Pero pwede dyan bitaw na ito makuha ang ato ang focus. So, that's ang focus 1, which is, ang iyang h is -4 plus ang -2 plus minus the value of C, which is 7. Kung na minus sa itong unahon. So, ang F sub 2, -4, -2 plus 7. So, ang F sub 1 is, ang yung coordinate will be -4 and then -2 minus 7, -9. While here, ang F sub 2 will be -4 and then +5. So, dire, -4, +5, -4, -9 sa focus 1 o focus 2. But anyway, standard equation man ang pangitaon jud. Naglahi kog bangag. So, ang kwaon lang nato is we have the C already. So, kwaon nato ang value sa A since we have the center and the vertex. So, it's either vertex 1 or vertex 2. Again, our hyperbola is vertical. So, we will subtract the value of y coordinates sa atong center to get the value of A. So, y coordinates sa itong center and the y coordinates sa focus 1 or focus 2. So, negative 5 minus negative 2. So, that's negative 5 plus 4. Negative 5 plus 2. That's negative 3. So, the absolute value of negative 3 is 3. Pwede pod kani y coordinate which is 1 minus negative 2. So, 1 plus 2 is 3. That's for A. We have A and we have the value of C. Ang A is 3. Ang value of C is 7. So, makuha na nato ang value sa B. B is equal to square root of C squared minus A squared. So, ang C squared is 7 squared, while ang A is 3. So, 3 squared. So, 49 minus 9 is 40. So, B is equal to square root of 40, which is approximately 6.32. So, we have the B, and we have the A, and we know the orientation of our hyperbola, meaning makuha na nato ang ilang standard equation. So, we will use y minus k quantity squared ay naputay center. Y minus k quantity squared over a squared minus x minus h quantity squared over b squared is equal to 1. Since our standard equation, since our hyperbola is vertical, so we will use this standard equation. Ang atong k is negative 2, so y minus negative 2, that's positive. So, y plus 2 quantity squared over ang a na to is 3, so 3 squared, that's 9. X minus negative 4, so x plus 4 squared over ang b na to is squared of 40 squared. So, matanggal na ni ang squared o ang square root nga sign. Therefore, x plus 4 quantity squared over 40. Ano siya? So, ang standard equation na to sa to ang hyperbola will be y plus 2 quantity squared over 9 minus x plus 4 quantity squared over 40 is equal to 1. Tangan pa kay gugi-agian kanira man di atong pakon. Okay.